I got you.
Bang, 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 bang.
Give me 1 second. Let me go back. Whoa.
Sorry.
She got you?
Unsure. Yeah.
Fuck. Oh! Fuck, that hurt. Don't be scared. Switch sides. I ran out of rounds. Huh? Yeah. I ran out of rounds, brother.
You have a mag.
What? Look at that.
I was looking for you, Blake.
Let's go. That shit hurts. Look at that. Huh?
I got Chaplin out.
You be careful because he's totally not run out of rounds, okay? Yep. Yeah, no, go. Pay attention. No, don't mess with it. It's charged, right? Don't take it. He's already there. Hey, no. There. Oh, fuck. Good. You got me. Be careful. The trampoline's there. The trampoline's there.
Bro, it won't shoot.
Watch out. Move. You need to like shoot hard. Come over here. Blakey, you hit? Shoot.
We got hostile over there.
Okay?
Hold
Hold this, hold this, hold this, hold this. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. You need a, stop, stop. Look at mine. Stop. It's not shooting, buddy. Take it off. Stay there. Stay there, stay there. Yeah, I'm done. I got nothing. Oh shit. See? Stay here. Stay here. You're gonna get hit hard. You need gloves. I'm hit. Stay there. Oh. Yours? Yep. Buddy.
I know, I'm sorry, you scared me, that's all.
My head needs to be covered. I got hit in the head multiple times.
Look at that
Here,
shit.
like up here.
Look at
It
that.
hurts like a bitch.
Yeah, he doesn't have gloves.
You don't have gloves?
No, I forgot.
Yeah, I got hit in the hands a couple times.
The one that really hurt was the one that got me in the nipple from the side.
I'm sorry.
Come on, guys.
Yeah, dude.
There's no crack shots, so watch out for the cracks.
I got hit a couple times. Look at that. What up?